Hello, the student. Today we are going to study physics. Name of the chapter that is units and measurement. Up to 10th standard, you know how to measure by using the scale. We are drawing the figure of triangle using compass to draw a circle. So here with these ideas we are going to measure the length of the table. How will measure the length of the table? By scale. Scale is a using scale you will get more time to measure it. So by using meter scale, by using meter, within few seconds we can measure the length of the table. There are four types of systems, that is CGS, MKS, FPS and SI. CGS means centimeter, gram, second system. MKS means meter, kilogram, second system. FPS means foot, pound, second system. And SI, that is system, international system. The first three systems, that is CGS, MKS and FPS, were used extensively till recently. In 1971, the 14th International General Conference on Weights and Measure recommended the use of international system, that is SI system. And this international system of unit is called as SI unit. There are two types of quantities, that is fundamental quantity and derived quantities. The physical quantities which do not depend upon any other physical quantities for their measurement are known as fundamental quantities. Fundamental unit, the unit used to measure the fundamental quantities, are called as fundamental unit. Then some fundamental quantities are there with their SI units. Length, SI unit, that is meter, symbol is M. Mass, kilogram, symbol is kg. Time, second, S. Temperature, Kelvin, K. Electronic current, ampere, A. Luminous intensity, candela, CD. And amount of substance, that is mole, MOL. Second quantity, that is derived quantity. The physical quantity which depends on any other physical quantity is for their measurement is called as derived quantities, and the unit used to measure derived quantities are called as derived units. For an example, SI unit of velocity. Velocity is nothing but unit of displacement upon time, that is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called as velocity. Displacement means the person will move from one place to another, that is the cross some distance. Distance is measured in meter, and unit of time, time is s. So unit of velocity is meter per second, and it can be written as meter as inverse. Unit of momentum, unit of mass multiplied by unit of velocity. that is kg meter per second or kg meter S inverse. Then supplementary unit. There are two supplementary units, that is plane angle and solid angle. The ratio of the length of arc of a circle to the radius of the circle is known as plane angle and it is denoted by d theta. So d theta is equal to ds upon r, and it is the unit, it is measured in radian, and we have to write that is plane angle, that is rad, radian, that is rad. Solid angle, the three-dimensional analog of d theta, and is defined as the area portion of the surface of sphere to the square of the radius of the sphere. It is denoted by d omega. D omega is equal to dA upon r square is the solid angle subtended by area. And unit is, it is measured in steradian SR. The sphere of radius r has the surface area 4 pi r square. So solid angle subtended by the entire sphere, that is phi omega is equal to 4 pi r square upon r square, that is 4 pi steradian. Example first, what is the solid angle subtended by the moon at the point of the earth? Given the diameter of the moon is 3474 km, that is 3474 km, and its distance from the earth 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 meter. So solid angle subtended by moon at the earth is equal to area of the disk of the moon divided by moon earth distance bracket square, that is pi into 1.737 into 10 raised to 10 cube bracket square divided by 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 bracket square. So we get, while solving, we get 2.045 into 10 raised to minus 5 steradian. The relation between radian and degree of pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi. So 180 upon 3.1415 is equal to 57.297 degree. Similarly, 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180, 3.1415 upon 180, that is 1.745 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 2.91 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian, and 1 minute is equal to 60 second, and 1 second is equal to 4.847 into 10 raised to minus 6 radian. Then convention for use of SI units. First, unit of every physical quantity should be represented by its symbol. Full name of unit always start with smaller letter, even if the name is after a person, example 1 Newton, 1 Joule, etc. But symbol for the unit name after a person should in a capital letter, that is Newton, that is capital A. Joule, that is J. Symbol for unit do not take a plural forms of the, for example, force of 20 Newton, not 20 Newtons, or not 20 NS. Symbol for unit do not contain any full stop at the end of recommended letter. That is 25 kg, not 25 kg point. The unit of physical quantities in the numerator and denominator should be written as one ratio. For example, SI unit of acceleration meter per second square or meter second raised to minus 2, but not meter per second. Use of combination of units and symbols for unit is avoided when physical quantity is expressed by combination of two, the unit of joule per kg, K is correct while joule per kg K is not correct. A prefix symbol is used before the symbol of the unit. Thus, prefix symbol and unit symbol constitute a new symbol for the unit which can be used or which can be raised to a positive or negative power of 10. That is 1 millisecond is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 second. 1 microsecond equal to 10 raised to minus 6 second. 1 nanosecond is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 second. Use of double prefix is avoided when single prefix is available. 10 raised to minus 6 s is equal to 1 microsecond, not 1 mms. 10 raised to minus 9s, that is 1 nanosecond, not 1 millimicrosecond. Space of hyphen must be introduced while indicating multiplication of two units. Example, meter per second should be written as meter second s raised to minus 1, not meter dash second inverse, or not as ms inverse, because ms will be read as millisecond. Then measurement of the length. See the table 1.2. Distance of Andromeda galaxy from the Earth, that is 2 into 10 raised to 22 meter. Then distance to nearest star after Sun, Proxima Centauri from Earth, that is 4 into 10 raised to 16 meter. Then next one, that is distance of Pluto from the Earth is 6 into 10 raised to 12 meter. Next, average radius of the Earth, that is 6 into 10 raised to 24, 6 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Weight of Mount Everest, height of Mount Everest, not weight, but height of Mount Everest, 9 into 10 cube meter. Thickness of this paper is 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Length of typical virus, 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 meter. Radius of hydrogen atom, 5 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter. And last one, that is radius of proton, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Now measurement of large distance, that is parallax method. Large distance such as the distance of planet or star from the Earth cannot be measured directly with a meter scale, so that parallax method is used because they are far away from the earth. So that's why we are using parallax method. Let us simple example that is explained to understand what is parallax. Hold your hand in front of you and look at with your left eye close and then your right eye close. You will find that your hand appears to move against the background. This effect is called parallax. See the figure? Parallax method of determine distance. As the distance of planets from the earth are very large, we cannot use two-eye method as I discussed here. In order to make simultaneous observation of an astronomical object, we select two distinct points on the earth. So two distinct points A and B on the surface of the earth, separated by a straight line at a distance of B as shown in a figure 1.3. Then S is the point, distance planet, that is S. Then angle ASB between two directions along which planet is viewed at the 2 points. Angle is in between, angle is there, angle that is theta. As the planet is far away, the distance of the planet from the earth is very large comparison, that is B. B upon D is less than 1. Therefore, theta is very small. So, AB is consider AB is equal to small b and AS is equal to BS is equal to capital D, and theta is equal to AB upon D, where theta is radian. So, D is equal to B upon theta. So, this much that today we have studied systems, 4 types of systems, then units, fundamental units, derived units, fundamental quantities, and